Hey amazing freelancers, welcome back to another video where success is the name of the game. You are in for a treat today because I am about to spill the beans on the 5 cover letters that turned me from a struggling freelancer into a top-rated plus superstar on Upwork. Yes, you heard me right. I've ranked in over $1 million for selling my skills in web design and video creation. Stick around because these cover letters are not just your run-of-the-mill proposals. They are the secret sauce to my success. Cover letter types. Now, before we dive into the juicy details, let's talk about the 5 essential keys to crafting a killer Upwork proposal. You don't want to miss this because these keys are the foundation of your freelancing success. Number 1, asking for unique questions. Start your proposal by showing you've done your homework. Ask 3 strategic questions related to the job. The better your questions, the higher your chances of getting a response. Number 2, send previous work for the X company. Keep it short and sweet. Mention how you've helped similar clients and attaching a relevant example. Invite the client to jump on a call to discuss the specifics. Number 3, send your portfolio link. Perfect for showcasing your stellar work examples. Keep it brief. Encourage the client to check your portfolio. Sometimes simplicity is the key. Number 4, asking specific questions in the proposal. Ideal for well-defined jobs. Outline the steps and information you need to get started. Provide a clear picture of what the client can expect from working with you. But wait, there's one other cover letter that's a bit out of the ordinary. I've personally run 36 jobs in just 3 months using this strategy, and it's a game changer. Let me take you back to a moment of desperation in my career. I was at a point where I had a multi-million-dollar deal online, a CEO who wouldn't respond, and the fate of my company was hanging by a thread. I stumbled upon an unconventional Upwork cover letter that I had used before to break through. It's simple. Attach your work examples and write a hello, comma. Sounds crazy, right? But it worked like magic. Now, here's where you come in. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me about your weirdest and most successful cover letter experience on Upwork. Have you tried something unconventional that just clicked? Share your stories and let's learn from each other. In conclusion, my fellow freelancers, the key to success on Upwork is diversity in your proposal game. Different clients respond to different approaches, so don't be afraid to experiment. If you're hungry for more tips and tricks to consistently land on those dream gigs, then check out my next video. I will be dropping a game changer. If you found this video valuable, then don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more golden nuggets on the freelancing wisdom, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss out. Until next time, keep hustling and may your proposal be irresistible as a fresh cup of coffee on a Monday morning. Cheers to you and be freelantastic.